everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Did you know Windows 11 has a secret menu with every single control panel setting in just one place? It's called the God mode, and yes, it's as powerful as it sounds. So today I'll show you exactly how to unlock it step by step. And no, you do not need to be a tech wizard to do this. So firstly, head to your desktop and just right click anywhere on the screen and then hover over the new and then click on the folder option. You can basically do this in the file explorer too, but desktop makes it easier to access. And now it's time to rename the folder with the GodMode code. So all you need to do is just paste in this text. You can get this text from my description box or even ChatGPT. Now while pasting this text, make sure to leave no spaces before or after and do not add an extension like .txt or .docx. Also, you need to press enter after pasting it. Now, once you press enter, the folder icon will instantly change into the control panel icon. And that is how you know that it worked. And so now the third step is to open GodMode. And for that, just double click on the icon. And well, there you go. You have just unlocked access to over 200 plus advanced settings, all organized into categories. Now, these categories include administrative tools, backup and restore, device manager, display settings, keyboard, mouse, fonts, and many more. Now, why exactly it's called God mode? Well, that is because it puts total control in your hands. You can just tweak anything: power settings, network options, disk management, sound configurations, all from here. Now, when exactly is God mode useful? Here's when God mode really shines. First, for techies and PC enthusiasts who want to skip digging through menus. Second, when troubleshooting or optimizing system performance. Third, when setting up a new PC. And fourth, when you want full control over your system without using command lines or third-party tools. So it's basically like turning your computer into a master control center. Now, how do you disable or delete God mode? This doesn't change your system permanently, so if you want to remove it, then just right click on the God mode icon and then just click on delete. Well, that's it. So easy and absolutely no harm done. Now, here's a safety note. God mode is safe. It just collects existing Windows settings in one place. It doesn't modify your system or add third-party tools. But make sure to not use it carelessly, as changing unfamiliar settings could affect your system performance. Also, if you want to open it faster later, then just pin it to your start menu or taskbar by right-clicking on the icon and choosing Pin to Start. Well, that was it. That is how you enable God mode in Windows 11. The easiest way to unlock every setting without wasting time in menus. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.